Okay guys, what's up? For today's video, you know what we're going to be doing? Car show. We're going to be going to a car show. Is that right, Andrew?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Alright, so during the car show, I'm hoping to see a GTR and an R8.
I'm hoping to see a Lamborghini Huracan, and most of all, a Ferrari F40, the best car in the world.
Yeah. Keep telling yourself that. So we're going to be, just going to the car show, doing some stuff. We're right now in the parking lot, waiting to get there. So
We'll
just enjoy the video, guys. So low though. Jeez. We're just walking over here and all of a sudden we see, alright. We have BMW, we have R8, we have Lamborghini Skyline, and then Porsche. Did you see this here? Is there this one over here?
Look at the Porsche.
We got
a Porsche 911.
the Porsche, a bunch of other BMWs, and then an Audi. I think that's a TTRS. Right behind me, Lamborghini Skyline. And then we have an R8, like Tannenbronder R8. Carbon fiber right here. Oh wow! Oh, this is amazing.
Alright, be careful,
Oh, we got check this out here too.
Look at the
Porsche 911. And Porsche. Yeah, let's go down this way, right here. Nissan right here. I didn't expect to even see a Lambo. Did you expect to see a Lambo?
No.
I mean, I didn't even expect to see like this. We got Nissan. We have Nissan, Porsche. That's another Porsche.
Another Porsche.
Porsche Bros right here.
Look at this Mustang.
That's an old one. WRX, STI, or SDI, and then it's SDI next to it.
Look at this Camaro. Nice Camaro. Okay. T-top doors.
Yo, did you see the one drift though? Oh wow, the doors on that one.
What?
The shit.
That's a Camaro with scissor doors.
A Camaro with butterfly doors. Look at that.
Scissor.
I'm gonna go check that out.
Yo.
Get this one right here. Is this a Hellcat?
I don't think so.
No, this is just a Challenger.
Look at that Camaro.
Oh wow, hold on, look at this. Dang.
It's like brand
Oh
new.
my god. That's powerful.
It is.
And you got the Honda over there.
Check out the scissor doors.
This is amazing though. And this is the car that was following us over here. That car followed us all the way over here.
I know.
That was amazing.
Look at the
This
doors
car
on the
follow us here. Oh wow. This is an original Mustang too. Look at this guy. I'll see what the engine looks like. Wow.
Try this one, see what happens.
Hold on, we're gonna go check out some other cars. Honda Evoque. Another guy right here.
Oh, they got some S2000s. The roll cage. Look at that. Nice.
350Z Nissan. What up? This is a Buick. We found a Buick. This is a good one right here. The engine and whatnot. I think we should start heading a little more farther back. That's a racing car down there. See that one? And then no, like For real though, one thing we're gonna show you. Like, look at this, look at this. We're just coming down through this, through here, and all of a sudden we see a car just drift a corner.
They're gonna race. I swear, race.
You just see all these cars coming out, spewing out of here. Spitting fire and everything. Censored.
Camaro though, scissor doors.
Do not touch. Oh, this is for sale. Oh wow, this is low.
Wow. This is a Cadillac.
Low. Dang. Oh no, this is lower. Oh my god.
It's like touching the ground.
It literally is. Look at this.
Cause that's a race car.
Yes, it is.
Oh, look at the wheels.
No, this is even lower.
Oh my god.
He's got a couple of rare ones. The pillarless one.
You're like sitting on the ground.
This is amazing. We've reached car
It's an
heaven.
older Porsche.
We found a super cool car. Straight out of Star
Yo,
Wars.
look at the
Look at that.
Clearly the best car we've seen all day. Right there.
Obviously. You got the GoPro on it too. Oh look, they got a buggy. Look at this, dude. Punch buggy, 81.
Saw 80 on the.
Look at that right there.
Oh, those are souvenirs. So.
No GTR. Whoa! Over here.
Whatever it is.
No, that's good. Oh, that's a Lotus. Dang. This is nice. Engine in the back, too. There's the NOS right there. NOS right there.
It's not NOS, it's nitrous.
Nitrous, whatever.
NOS.
Nice, but nitrous.
Yo, is it a Huracan?
These are two Huracan.
That's a Huracan? It's a Gallardo.
That's Stevens.
No, that's a Gallardo and a Huracan. Oh, it's a Huracan. Yo. Porsche 911.
Porsche. Another Porsche. Another Porsche.
Yeah, you could pull
This
through
is
your
back
car.
to back to back Porsche.
No, I don't expect to see these cars in real life.
Huh? Yo. We've seen like four Lambos.
3.
3? I thought it was 4.
23.
Oh Dodge right here.
This car.
That's a Charger. I think I'm running out of time, so I have to make them. Alright, we found our GTR. We found it.
Yo.
Dang. Of course, this doesn't have the Tanner Fox mod, but that's okay. I'm still a fanboy of GTRs.
So, R35 really? Yo, look at the Ferrari.
You know, we got the Ferrari next to it. I got another Ferrari next to that.
Another Ferrari.
This is all the Ferraris right here. And then they got the one that you like right here.
That's not the. Is it? No.
I don't think it is. It might be.
No, it's not an F40.
The interior. It's like super close to the car.
No, F40. Watch out! Go.
Shit. Bounce. Lambo. BMW.
No, that's the spoiler.
Porsche right here.
It does, but it's kind of overkill, isn't it?
Another Lambo. R8, which is what we've seen the other time. And
Oh,
lines and lines of cars.
Hope the wound heals, but it never does. That's cause you at war with love. You at war with love.
These
Yeah.
battle scars don't look like they're fading, don't look like they're ever gone away.
We got the 86 right here too. Got the cage. Let's get the bottom piece right here too. There's Supra
Supra.
next to it.
I can't believe it's not being a full walker. Back seat again.
4-seated.
Yeah.
We got the motor in here too. Not the motor, the engine. I can't speak.
Look at him. There. GTO.
Some truck. Subaru, Chevy. Another Chevy that's like super little. Bottom part. Chevy. GT Mustang.
Is it GT? I don't think it's GT.
I'm pretty sure it's a GT. Porsche. Porsche. Toyota. There's a Challenger over there.
Well, no, I know, but like, I didn't. Yeah.
Alright, yo, actually, I think we're gonna end the video here. Real quick, let me just say it. I'm gonna say it right behind, I'm gonna say it right in front of this car. Leave a like, subscribe, wait for the next video. I should be posting another one next week. It's gonna be awesome. Make sure you're there. You gonna sign up?
Bye.